Jamaica and Malaysia were once at the same starting line. Today, Malaysia is rich and we're still catching up. Why? Back in the 1960s, both Malaysia and Jamaica were young, newly independent countries. Similar GDP, similar colonial history, rich in natural resources. But look around now, Malaysia's economy is over 10x bigger than Jamaica's. Malaysia didn't depend on just one thing. They invested in manufacturing, technology, and exports. They made it easy to do business and improve education. They didn't just export raw goods, they built factories and trained people. Jamaica focused too much on tourism and importing things. We didn't build strong industries. And every time we try to rise, our economy gets blocked by debt, crime, and poor infrastructure. The truth is, we were never taught how to build generational wealth.